Hey YouTubers, I'm going to do a video on stacked text. It's my take on stacked text. Thanks.
Okay, this is going to be a stacked text example, and we're going to set up our project 16 inches wide, 8 inches high, 1 inch thick. The Z is at the material surface. The XY datum position is in the lower left-hand corner in a very high resolution. And we're going to click OK. Okay, we're going to draw a rectangle. It's going to be 16 inches wide, 8 inches high. Create that. We'll go here and select it. We're going to center that on our project. While it's selected, we're going to go here and we're going to offset this inwards 3/4 of an inch. Offset. Close. Now we're going to select both of these. Okay, select both. Go to the Modeling tab. Go to the Create Shape tool. Now we're going to select this profile here. And we're going to give it a 30-degree angle. The height is going to be 18. And it's going to be add. And we're going to call it frame. Click apply. Close. Okay, so we have our border. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go up here and add zero plane. There's our zero plane. What I do is go to drawing, go to draw text. Okay, I'm going to put in my name. Okay. Now we need to select a font. Okay, here we go. New Times Roman. Okay, and we centered it. And it's on our project, so we're going to enlarge that, pull it up here. It's a little bit too big. Okay, let's let the machine center it for us. And I still don't like that yet. A little bit too big. Yeah, that's a little better. And we'll get her straightened out here. Okay. So, we'll close this, select that, and we're back to the Create Shape tool. And we're going to use the round profile again, the 30 degree. 18 is, let's see, go to 11. Okay. All right, and this is add, and so we can tell what it is. Right, Carter, and we're going to apply. And we'll close that. Okay, I want to add another text. Now, our height on this is, okay, and we want to also change this right there. And we're close. A little bit less. Okay, I'm gonna leave that there. Now I would like to maybe select both. No, I guess we'll just finish this first. Okay, select that. Go back to our Create Shape tool. And we're going to do the same thing. The curve profile, the 30 degrees, and let's see, 11 is good. All right, and this is just for identification. Okay, close. Now, we can stop here, or we can add, why don't we add a little something else here? Back to the text. Okay. Now we're going to bring that down. And we're going to grab both of these, and we're going to move those up. I think that's okay. Now, I need to go back here Okay. Now we can go back to the Create Shape tool. Same figures here. And okay, we'll close that. And we'll select everything. I have to check to make sure. Yeah, I didn't do this correctly. I needed to change that to merge. Okay, we'll call that better. Okay. Now, we'll go to a roughing toolpath. Material setup. Make sure this is good. There's no gap. Okay. 3/16. That's good. And we have a small allowance. We'll change this to 03. Calculate. Okay. Now we're going to do a finish, or one tool path. You could just do the finish, but this might be a little faster. Okay, reset. Preview all tool paths. Okay, and we didn't have a very good outcome here because, okay, our calculations are done. Reset the preview all tool paths. Most of it looks good. So we're going to check here. The zero plane. The bob and mar. The bob and nar is merge. And I had it set wrong. So we have to move this up. Okay, we'll close that. The next thing, we're going to move the frame up. Okay, we're going to check the frame. 2, 3. We're going to change that to 2.7. I'm gonna close. Okay, the EST, we're gonna move that up. We'll check that. Change that to 16. Okay, and the Carter, we're a little bit too high here. $11. Okay, I changed the order of these things, and I also, by checking this, some of this was too high, and others were too low. And this is part of the lesson. And we're going to recalculate all. Okay, we're recalculated, and we'll do the reset the preview and preview all toolpaths. As you can see, we have a much different outcome, much more of what we expect. I like the curved border. Our letters are somewhat curved. This could be the same font as this. I just used a different font so you can see the difference. And this font was a script. And this font was New Times Roman, as well as this one was. Well, that's quite colorful, so let's see. So there we have it. Just a different way to do it. That's my take on a stacked text.
Hey YouTubers, Carter here. Hey, we finished the stacked text. Hey, thumbs up or thumbs down, and hey, subscribe. I have something quite often, so I hope you enjoyed it. See ya.